If you're experiencing a verification pending status on your Advcash account, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the verification process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check the email associated with your Advcash account for any messages regarding your verification status. Look for instructions or additional information that may be required. Step 2. Gather required documents. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Submit documents. Log into your Advcash account and navigate to the verification section. Upload the required documents as instructed. Double check that all files are in the correct format and meet the size requirements. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your documents, allow some time for Advcash to review your submission. This process can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days. Be patient and avoid submitting multiple requests. Step 5. Follow up. If you haven't received a response within the expected time frame, reach out to Advcash support for assistance. Provide them with your account details and any reference numbers related to your verification request. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending status on your Advcash account efficiently. If issues persist, don't hesitate to seek further support from their customer service.